Before we start, I would like you to hit that red subscribe button so you never miss out on any of our videos. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to Top Notch Delicacy. Here are 7 surprising foods that may cause cancer. Number 1. Deli meats. There is some evidence that suggests certain deli meats may not be the best for you. Some studies have shown a link between eating large amounts of processed meat and an increased risk for colorectal or stomach cancers. Natalie Rizzo, MSRD, tells Bustle, scientists believe this link is because of the nitrates, which are added to many lunch meats, hams, and hot dogs to maintain color and prevent bacterial growth. Number 2. Alcohol. Although drinking small amounts of alcohol can have some health benefits, alcohol in excess may not. Drinking any more than a standard 1 drink a day for women or 2 drinks a day for men can increase your risk of developing mouth, pharynx, throat, larynx, voice box, esophagus, liver, breast, colon, and rectum cancer. According to American Cancer Society, says Rizzo, said feel free to drink in moderation. Number 3. Canned food. Most canned foods are lined with the chemical bisphenol A or BPA, which can disrupt your endocrine system. Multiple studies link BPA with increased risk of cancer, so avoid canned goods unless they're BPA free, and opt for their fresh counterparts instead. Number 4. Packaged desserts. According to experts, fresh desserts may be a better option than packaged. Processed sweets also contain trans fats, which have been shown to increase your risk for developing heart disease, says Rizzo. The relationship between trans fat and cancer risk is still unknown, but it's still best to avoid eating these types of fats. Number 5. Microwave popcorn. Next time you want to enjoy some popcorn for an at-home movie, check the labels. Microwave popcorn made with toxic compound dietetol has been associated with lung cancer. Tony Amador, MSRD CDN, tells Bustle, many food manufacturers have removed it from the ingredient list, but always check if it's present and opt for a different brand with it or pop your own at home. Number 6. Grilled food. Food charred on the grill tastes delicious, but studies say it's not great for our bodies. Charring causes the formation of heterosilicic aromatic amines, AHAs, which have been linked to cancer in animal studies, says Amador. Additionally, cooking meat, fish, or chicken over open flames where fat can drip and produce smoke can lead to the formation of polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbons, PAHs, which have been also linked to cancer formation, she says. But that doesn't mean you have to stop grilling altogether. Research is still inconclusive about the quantity that makes these chemicals carcinogenic, so eating grilled foods in moderation may be your best option. Number 7. Farmed fish. Fish is supposed to be one of the healthiest foods out there, but not if it's raised on a polluted farm, says scientific studies. Research published in the journal Science found that farm-raised salmon is higher in cancer-causing pollutants. The researchers believe this could slightly increase the risk of getting cancer later in life, although the U.S. Food and Drug Administration told the Associated Press that the levels of pollutants in farm-raised salmon are not high enough to raise serious concerns, urging Americans not to change their diets just based on that study. When looking to incorporate nutritious foods that will benefit your health long-term into your daily routine, it never hurts to do research on what experts recommend. This brings us to the end of our video. I hope you enjoyed it. Hit like if you did, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of our videos in the future. Also watch the next 2 videos that are on your screen because I'm sure you'll love them. With that, I'll see you in the next video.